In front of me is XIAOMI 13T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to Access Passwords and Security. Then click on Screen Lock and pick one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. Following that, click on Got it in the pop-up after 5 seconds. And finally, create your login method. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. And choose Confirm at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add your fingerprint right away, you can do that by selecting Add in the pop-up and following all of the instructions from your screen. If you wish to do it later, just click on Cancel. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!